Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 7.4, question number 7. A solid sphere of radius 6 cm is melted into a hollow cylinder of uniform thickness if the external radius of the base of the cylinder is 5 cm and its height is 32 cm. Then find the thickness of the cylinder. Here, solid sphere here hollow cylinder. Now solid sphere of radius r equal 6 cm and hollow cylinder external radius, that is capital R, equal 5 cm and internal radius R1 equal internal radius is R1 and height H equal 32 cm. Here solid sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube equal 4 by 3 pi r is 6 into 6. Here volume V2 is pi r squared minus r squared, h is 32. Now both volumes are equal here because it's recasted. So V1 equal to V2, we can see 4 over 3 pi 6 equal pi r squared minus r squared into 32. Here this cut as 2 pi cut. Therefore you can say r squared minus r squared equal 4 into 2 into 6 over 32. 4 into 2 into 6 over 32. Then 8s are 32 and 2 and 4 cut, and 4 is 2, 3 and 3, which is 9. So r squared is already 5 squared minus r squared equal 9. Therefore r squared equal 25 minus 9 equals 16. Therefore r equal square root of 16 equal to 4. Therefore thickness of the cylinder is r minus r, which is equal 5 minus 4 equal 1 centimeter. Next question. A hemispherical bowl is filled to the brim with juice. The juice is poured into a cylindrical vessel whose radius is 50% more than the height. If the diameter is same for both the bowl and the cylinder, then find the percentage of juice that can be transferred from the bowl into the cylindrical vessel. Now here hemispherical bowl, hemisphere, here cylinder. Here hemisphere is radius is r. Here also r, both diameter is same, so radius is same, and radius is 50% more than its height. Cylindrical vessel whose radius is a hemispherical bowl. The juice is poured into a cylindrical vessel whose radius is 50% more than its height. Therefore here radius is r. We can say radius is r1. Here radius is r2. Therefore here R1 equal 1.5 of h, because not here, r is here, that h here radius is r2 equal 1.5 of 1.5 of h, because 50% more, radius is 50% more than its height, so the r2 equal 3 by 2 h. Therefore we can say volume of hemisphere equal 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here volume is pi r squared, r is 3 by 2 h into 3 by 2 h, because r squared into h. So both here comparing this volume, then pi cut, both side pi you can cut. So put V1 and V2. V1 is 2 by 3 r cube and V2 equal 9 by 4 h cube, 9 by 4 h cube. Therefore from that further 2 by 3 r cube will compare this. V2 is 9 by 4, h is 3r. Here 2 by 3 r cube is here it shows 9 by 4 h cube. It shows both volumes are equal. It shows both volumes are equal. Therefore 100% of the juice we can fill, can be transferred from the bowl to the cylinder, from bowl to the cylinder. Bowl to the cylinder. Now suppose if the h cube is there, h is we can say h equal to 2r2 by 3. If you apply that one, it gives both volumes are same. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.